Is your Jira story stuck in the mud, unable to move forward because of something else? Let's learn how to clearly signal this blockage in Jira and keep your project on track. First, navigate to the Jira story that's currently blocked. This is the issue that you can't complete because it's waiting on another task or facing an obstacle. Then, scroll down to the details section of the story, where you'll find the linked issues area. Click on the Link Issue button. This will bring up a dialog box where you can specify the type of link. In the dialog box, you'll see two drop-down menus. In the first drop-down menu, select Blocks. This indicates that your current story is being blocked by another issue. In the second drop-down menu, or in the input field below, search for the issue that is causing the blockage. You can type in the issue key or a relevant keyword from the issue summary. Once you've found the issue that's causing the blockage, select it. Then, click the Link button to create the link. Now, you'll see a clear visual indicator on your story, showing that it's blocked and what's blocking it. This helps the team understand the dependencies and prioritize resolving the blocking issue. Using this blocking feature helps to manage dependencies, communicate blockers to your team, and maintain a transparent workflow. Effectively blocking stories is a key Jira tip for efficient project management.